So again, our best option always is a scissor right now. So we'll use the scissor to open it slowly. Let's see. Careful. Careful. Alright, what is that? Cool, and wow, that's an iPhone. Cool. Let's see what kind of iPhone it is. Ooh, iPhone. Okay. I have in here. What does it say? Alright, 64 GB iPhone. Apple. Let's open it. Ooh, that's cool. Wow. That's amazing. I love iPhones. What is there in the box? Alright, this is an iPhone 8, guys. I love it. Amazing. 64. Yes, that's an iPhone 8. That's cool. That's amazing. Finally, I'll move from iPhone 6 to iPhone 8. So previously I have a 6S, and this is my old phone, 6S. It's good, still good condition. And the one that I'm picturing right now with is 6 Plus. So I'm getting an upgrade to iPhone 8. That's cool, guys. Let's see. In another video, I'll open the other two boxes. Thank you, guys, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I'm really happy with the iPhone 8. It's amazing. And I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, share, like, with everyone who like to open new items.